Hello there, this is Nisi Freeman. Just a quick video to show you where to go to find the virtual soroban. So this is the website that I have given you on the paper, and this is actually the virtual soroban. So what you need to do, you need to click on this soroban and then it will show as a blank screen for you here. Now notice that I've highlighted in the paper that there is a horizontal bar. Okay, this is an important bar. It has got all the black dots on it. Now these black dots are the marker of where you can start counting. So once you decide on this one, for example, this will be your unit rods. Now remember, all the bottom bits has got the ones in it. If it's on the units, then each of them will have the value of 1. So if I push one up, touching the bar, that means I'm adding. And I add another one up, I'm adding 2 now. Now if I want to add 2 more, I just push 2 more up. That is counting 4. Now notice there aren't any more beats, so all the 5s on the soroban are at the top here. So the 5 on the units column will be the 5. The 5 on the tens column will be the 50. The 5 on the hundreds column will be the 500. So I highlighted in the paper that soroban is a good tool to encourage children to count on. For example, in this case, you got a 5 and 4 units. Now, children who are not familiar with it will need to count them one by one. This encourages them to start counting from the 5, add 1 more 6, add 1 more 7, add 1 more 8, add 1 more 9. So it encourages them to count on. Another thing that is good to add is it is a very good tool to show children number in the teens. For example, if I got 4 here and I want to add on 10, it makes 14. Now 14 is actually made of 1 10 and 4. And notice that 14 is actually made of 1 10 and 4 units. And that is a very good way of showing them 14 there. So the next thing we need to do is to show them how easy it is to add on 10. So when you're adding on 10s, you do not actually need to count on 10 step or 10 units to arrive at the 10. On the soroban, it's very easy to show them that 14, if you want to add 10, just add on 1 bit of 10 on the tens column. So that adding a 10. Now it becomes 2 10s, which is 20. Add 4 units is 24. And it's also very easy to show them that 24 is actually made of 20 and 4. And from here, it's very easy to extend this on to add on 100. What if I want to add 100? Just push up 1 bit of 100. And this has been a blessing for children with mathematics difficulty. They find it so easy to understand how do I add 100, because the number 100 in the head can be very daunting and is very large. But here is a matter of pushing up 1 bit of 100 on the hundreds column. Now 24 added 100, it now makes 124, and you can easily see that it's written as 1 for 1 bit of 100, 2 for 2 bits of 10s, and 4 for 4 units. And that continuously reinforces the understanding of the place value. And one of the things that I notice that children tend to make mistake here when they're doing this number in 100 is they tend to write 104 as it is sound, 104, and that actually is wrong. So the soroban can show them that if you just copy the bit as being shown, which is made of 1 bit of 100, 0 10s, and 4 units. And that shows them very quickly 104 is written like that. You can also use the soroban to show them how to partition number. For example, you can give them any number. For example, this is 500 at the 100, 600, and 24. You can then show them on the board, say, how do you partition 624? It's actually made of 600, add 20, and add 4. Well, I hope this has been a very useful short video to get you started, and good luck with it. And I'd love to hear from you if you've got any further suggestions. Thank you.